Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
I am Murali, Associate Professor from the Department of Computer Science Engineering from Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. Today, I am going to take a topic on counting sort example. So counting sort actually it is a non-comparison based sorting algorithm where we are not going to compare each element. In other sorting technique, we will compare and we will sort it. Okay, this basic concept is we are going to count the frequency of input elements and we are going to sort the input elements. The step 1, we are going to have a set of input elements. The input elements are 2, 5, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 3. In the first step, we'll have to find the maximum element. So in the input array, the maximum element is 5. In the step 2, we are going to counting array. So counting array formula is max plus 1. In the step 1, max is 5. So 5 plus 1, 6. So the count array will be 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and it will be initialized to 0. In the step 3, we are going to make the frequency for counting array. If you note here in the input element, how many zeros are there? Only 2 zeros are there. Okay, so that's why 2 has been mentioned in count array. Next, there is no ones in the input array, so 0, and there is 2 2s in the input array, so 2 has been marked here, and there is 3 3s in the input array, 1 2 3, so 3 has been marked here. There is no 4, and that's why it has been marked as 0, and there is only 1 5, so we have marked counting array as 5. Step 4, we are going to calculate the cumulative sum. So formula to calculate cumulative sum is count array of I equal to count array of I minus 1 plus count array of I. This is the formula for step 4. In the iteration I equal to 0, count array of 0 equal to count array of 0 minus 1 plus count array of 0. So that is 0 plus 2 is 2. Similarly, we are going to go for the next iteration I equal to 1, count array of 1 equal to count array of 1 minus 1 plus count array of 1. So count array of 1 minus 1 is 0. We have the value for count array of 0 in the previous step. So count array of 0 is 2 and count array of 1 value is 0. So that's why 2 plus 0 has been marked as 2. Similarly, we'll have to calculate for all the iteration I equal to 2, I equal to 3, I equal to 4 and I equal to 5. So finally, the count array value will be count of 0 will be 2, count of 1 will be 2, count of 2 will be 4, count of 3 will be 7, count of 4 will be 7 and count of 5 will be 8. So this is the cumulative sum. In the step 5, we are going to calculate output array, input array and count array. So formula to calculate output array of count array into input array I equal to I minus 1 equal to input array. So this is the formula. Similarly, count array into counter or input array of I equal to count array into input array of I. So this is the formula to calculate step 5. So in the step 5, we are going to start with the last element of input array. The last element of input array is 3. Okay, so we are going to take the 3 and in the count array we are going to go for the third position. In the third position we have value as 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So in the sixth position of output array we are placing 3. So next step we are going to calculate I equal to 6. Okay, so we have input array, count array and output array. In the input array we are going to have 0 in the sixth position. So count array 0th position we have 2 minus 1 is 1. So in the first position we have placed the 0. So 2 elements are sorted as of now. If you note down the counting array, so this 2 will be changed as 1 in the next step. Next, we are going to go for the I equal to 5. In the input array, we are going to go for the fifth element. So fifth element is 3. In the count array, in the third position, we have 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. In the fifth position, we are going to place the 3. Next step, we are going to go for step 8. In the input array, we have fourth element as 2. So in the second element, we are going to place 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So in the third position, we have placed 2. Next step, I equal to 3. So in the input array, the third position we have 0. So we are going to go for the 0th position. The 0th position we have value as 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So finally, we have 0 has been placed in 0th position. Next, we are going to go for I equal to 2. So in the input array, second element is 3. We are going to go for the third position of count array. So value is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. In the fourth position, we are going to place the 3. Finally, we have I equal to 1. So in the input array, we have 5. So in the fifth position of count array, we are going to have value as 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So 5 has been placed in the output array. So finally we have I equal to 0. In the input array we have value as 2. In the second position we have value as 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So finally we have placed the elements. So all the elements are sorted now. The output is 0, 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. Thank you.